This is a research tool. You can download it on Google Play. You can voice search and read the latest headlines without being logged in. This is how you do quick research. First, adjust the language if you need. Then search country and pick newspaper. For the example, I chose Antarctica. I add the link to my Pocket and open the article engine. I save the correlating articles from here too. I then head over to the Wayback Machine. I can at any time also ask Google Voice Search about my findings. That was all for this tutorial. Thank you for listening.